Today's special video is chicken strips, a special recipe. Now let's start. Cut the chicken into strips. Now add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon maida, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon oregano. Add salt as per taste. Mix it. Marinate it for 30 minutes in refrigerator. Marinate it for 30 minutes. Breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Half teaspoon pepper. Coat it with breadcrumbs. Freeze it for 1 hour. Fry it with medium flame. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's free, and press the bell icon for new updates.